morning children. In previous classes we have completed our first chapter and second chapter. Yes. Now today we are going to discuss these two chapters for the revision upcoming exams. That is from Monday onwards we are having a exam. So we are going to learn some revision. We are going to take in the from first lesson and also second lesson. Yes. Revision. Yes. Now let us see from first chapter. I'm going to give some of the problems also. I'm going to share some important problems in the group also. Now let us see some of the examples how to do. Once again I'm going to explain. Okay. Now here, knowing our numbers in the, everyone open your textbooks and keep in front of you. I'm going to say each and every bit today. Okay. Now from exercise 1.1, how to compare the numbers means which is the greatest and smallest among the group of numbers. Yes, which is the greatest and smallest numbers from this aspect. See, from first bit I am going to take the first one. From each bit I am going to explain one problem. Just practice whatever I am going to explain, that only in the practice book. Okay. Now let us observe one of the problem 15432 and 15892, 15370, 15524. Yes, from these, see, let us observe one of the problem. We have to pick up one problem. Just I have taken one problem and from first bit. From this, they are asking that which is the greatest and also smallest. Which is the greatest and also smallest number. See, from this, which is the greatest and smallest? First, how to identify the greatest and smallest number. Yes, see, from these, everyone, you observe first number. Yes, everything, it is equal. And observe the second number. Yes, everything, it is equal. Coming to the third number, it is 4, it is 8, it is 3, it is 5. Yes, and see, from this, which is the last number, which is the larger number? Yes, which is the larger number? 8 is the biggest number. Yes, observe, that is 15892 is a greatest number. Is a greatest number. Is a greatest number. Okay. Now next, which is the greatest number? Which is the smallest number from these? Can you say? See, let us see this third digits only. 4835. Which is the smallest number from these? 3 is the smallest number. And also 3. When you compare here, it is 32. 15432. And also 15370. When you see this also, here 4, here 3. So 3 is the smallest number. In book you have to write how you will be writing in the classroom, how you will be answering. See, you have to give which is the greatest number, which is the smallest number. You have to keep the greatest number. Greatest number and also smallest number. Smallest number. Which is the greatest? 15892 and also 15370 is the smallest number. Okay, 15892, 15370 it is the smallest. You have to mention like this, Nana. In the exam paper also you have to mention like this only. Okay, this is about first bit, which is the greatest number. How to identify? I can explain to you. See, let us move the next problem. Yes, sir. Write the numbers in ascending and descending order. You know what is ascending? Yes, what is ascending and also descending? Yes, ascending and descending order. Ascending and descending order. What is ascending and descending? Ascending means the numbers starts from small to big. Small to big. Yes, now descending means big to small. Big to small. Yes, ascending means small to big. Descending means big to small. Let us see now. Let us take some problem and two from ascending and also descending. See example 375, 1475 and 15951, 4713 and also yes sir. Let us see now. These are the numbers I am taken and from these I am going to write order of ascending and also descending. Let us observe from ascending is small to big. Ascending. Let us write ascending order. Yes sir. Here when you observe follow the digits now. See here 3 digits, here 4, here 5, here 4. See now coming to the 3 digits, it is the smallest number. Yes. So 375. Then when you compare the 4 digits, here it is 5 digits. Here 4 digits, here 4. From these 4 digits, which is smaller number? 1 or 4? This is 1475 is a smaller number. Next 4713. Next 5 digit number. Yes, you can write like this. From small to big. That is small to big. Chinna nunchi pedda. Which is nothing but ascending order. Okay. Now same number we can write in descending order. Yes, we can write in descending order. Yes, see 15951 and 4713 and 1475 and also 375. This is a from descending order, from big to small, from big to small. Yes, understood how to write in ascending order and descending order. Whatever number they have given, you have to convert from small to big and also big to small. This is nothing but ascending and descending order. So let us move next problem. Nana, you can identify which is the greatest symbol and also less than symbol. Yes. Now you know the symbols of greater than, less than or equal to symbols. These are the greater than, less than symbols. Yes. Now from this they may give any problem. You can choose which is bigger. If they ask the bigger, you can keep the symbol right or left side. Okay. If it is equal, you can use this equal to symbol. Okay. Now let us see some problems on this less than or equal to or equal to. See example 3854 15200. Yes, and 14500 14499. Yes, and 99454 99454. Yes, see now 3854 dash 15200. See, when you see the numbers also, by recognizing the numbers only we can say which is greater and which is less than or which is equal to. Yes. Now can you say how many digits are there here? 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many digits are there on right side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you compare these two numbers, you can easily say that right side, that is 15200 is greater than 3854. You can use this symbol. Okay. Now let us move at this. See how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. When you compare these symbols, say 5 numbers. Yes, 5 digits. From left side, from right side, we are having 5 digits numbers. So which is greater than or less than? See, less than means you can use this symbol. Which is greater means you can use this symbol. ఏదైతే పెద్ద ఉందో అక్కడ సింబల్ పెట్టాలి, ఏదైతే చిన్న ఉందో అక్కడ సింబల్ పెట్టాలి. ఒకవేళ వాళ్ళు అడిగిన question. Okay. Now 99454, 99454. From this you can say that here there are 5 digits. Here also there are 5 digits. When you compare these two 5 digits numbers, we can say easily 99454. So when you see these numbers, when you see these digits, the number is same. So total the number is same. So we use equal symbol. We use equal symbol. Okay? Greater than, less than, or equal to symbol. Let us move to next problems. Yes. Now see, write the numbers in words. Write the numbers in words. Nana, you know how to write the numbers in words. If they give 72642, when they say to write the numbers in words, you first have to divide with the commas. Afterwards, give the place values. Yes, place values. 1, 7, 100, 1000, 10,000. Now, this is 72,000. 72,600. 7 to add in thousands place, so I am writing 72,000. Now 6 is in 100 place, so 600. And you have to compulsory have to mention and here, okay? 42. 42. Yes? 72,642. Like this, if they say to write the number name in words. If they give this number name, if they say to write in the numerals, you can easily mention the 72,000. So 642. You have to see 7 to it is in 72,000. It is in thousands place or not. To check that, we have to write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. If you check once again by writing the place value, we can write the numerals which are in the correct form in the given number name. Okay. Now see everyone. Now rounding numbers. Rounding numbers, which is nearest to tens, nearest to hundreds, and also nearest to thousands, which is about, and also everyone before 1.2 also I have already explained roundup. You just go through that video also. And let us see some, and also short form. If they give the 300, 3000 plus 400 plus 7. If they give in the expanded form, we can write 3, 4, 7. Yes, when you see 3, 4, 7, 347, but it is 3,407 it is there. Now, to confirm this, ones, tens, hundreds, not up. 3 is in thousands place, so it is in hundreds place. So, mention here middle 0, we get it is in thousands place. Okay, you can also check like this if your answer is right or wrong. Okay, by keeping the place values, we can check the value of the given expanded form. Okay, and also open 1.3 page number. By using commas in Indian system and also international system, we have to write the number name also. Yes, here also they may give any number, whatever number. They don't give from the textbook only, they may give whatever number also. You have to write it. You are able to write it, but we have already done some notes on that. Yes. Now see for example, in Indian system we have learned the process how from ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Yes, like this we have followed the rule for the Indian system. In the same way, international system also. Yes, international system also. International system also. In international system, everything is same when you compare to the Indian system. Yes, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, then millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, billions, 10 billions, 100 billions. Like this we follow in the international system. Now everyone cleared about Indian system and international system, the process. Yes. Now I am going to pick one number, how to divide in the commas, at the same time how to write a place value for the given number. Okay. Now first example, I am taking 1, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0. Yes, this is a number I am giving now. So for this number you have to divide. You can see now I am saying to write this number, only one number I am saying to write in the Indian system and also international system. Okay. Now everyone in Indian system, and first I am going to do in the Indian system. First in Indian system we do the commas from last to 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Afterwards 2 numbers. Yes. Now after dividing in the commas we have to write the place value. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Yes. Crores, tens. Okay. Now this 1 is in crores place. 1, 2 it is in lakhs place. 4, 5 it is in thousands place. 6 is in hundreds. 7 is in tens. So now no one should write here 7 plus 7 0. Everyone write it is 70. Yes, 600 mention and also. Okay. While you are writing exam, everything you have to follow number. Okay. Now I am going to write the number. What happened? In Indian system we divided in the commas. At the same time we have divided in the place values. Now we have to write the number. Yes. Now 1 crore. 1 crore. 1 crore. Now 12 it is in 10 lakhs. So 12 lakhs. 12 lakhs and 45,000. Why 1,000 it is in thousands place. Okay. 45,000. 45,000 and 600. 670. Yes, everyone. Most of the students are mistaking here only. Everyone writing 10. 7 is in tens, no? 7 tens. 0 is ones, no? 0 ones. Don't write like that. Yes, these in the correct process is 670. Okay. Now everyone understood how to write the Indian system. Now writing international system. Yes. Everyone copy the revision. Now example. Now 3, 4, 0, 2, 5. Now now I am saying to divide in the international form. See, in international form how we are going to divide 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Yes. And also now after it is 3. Now teacher here 2 it is left. No, don't be get the confused. Now write the 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, commas divided. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, millions, 100 millions. Yes. Now 100 millions. 100 millions. Now this 22 it is in millions place. Okay. 22 is in millions place. So we have to write 22 100. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, millions, 22 hundreds, millions, 4,000, 400, 2,000, 400, 2,000, If they give in the short form, you have to write the numeral there, and if the which is the larger and the symbol and the greater symbol also I have explained. Yes. If they give in the number, you have to write in the words. Now coming to the 1.4. Now in the same way, here also international system and Indian system also we have learned. Then you can collect some numbers, mobile numbers or anything. You can divide in the international and also Indian system, and by that collecting the numbers, when you collect the numbers, you divide in the commas and you give the place values, you write the number name for that. So by that you can practice easily. Okay. Now coming to the 1.5, no need 1.5. Here some no working problems. Working problems will be explained tomorrow. So now coming to the, this is of revision of first chapter. Everyone learn it. Everyone practice. Okay. Tomorrow we go for second chapter. Okay. Total numbers. Everyone be ready with your books. Okay. Now everyone understood what is here and everything. Yes. And also everyone, each and every exercise you have to practice. Each and every exercise you have to practice in each way. Now everyone take the importance from 1.5. See, I am going to explain that. Okay, and also fourth, third, yes, third, fourth, fifth, seventh, ninth. Yes. Now take the exercise 1.5 important problems. Exercise 1.5 important problems. Yes. Second, third, fourth, fifth, eighth, and ninth. These are the 6 problems you have to practice, and also I am going to explain once again in the next class. So today everyone you have to complete the first chapter, each and whatever I am going to explain, each you have to do at least one problem. Keep your textbook in front of you and do by your own easily.